Last land with London abroad. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, where I will share my personal travel experiences as I land around the world. What do we have in store for today? Come along. After leaving the gardens, this was my next stop, the Sanctuary of Truth. Walking down these steps, I had no idea I was about to see the most beautiful temple I visited in Thailand so far. And before you could even step inside, you're handed a hard hat. Safety first, because apparently falling wood is a thing here. From the outside, this place already looks unreal. Every single inch is carved by hand. And while it feels finished, it's actually still a work in progress. You can even see the craftsmen working in real time, chiseling away at details that will eventually become part of the structure. After watching the magic outside, it was time to head in. And honestly, walking inside was jaw-dropping. The detail just does not stop. The walls, the pillars, the ceiling, everything is layered with meaning and insane craftsmanship. One of the coolest parts, the carvings that represent the days of the week. Each day has its own symbolic statue, and I definitely stopped to admire a few. And even though I tried to take my time, I know I still missed details because there's just so much to look at. Walking around in here feels like stepping inside a massive wooden storybook. But then came one of the best parts. I actually got to carve a piece of the wood that will eventually be part of the temple. Like, I literally left my mark on this masterpiece. And let me tell you, it's harder than it looks, but easily one of the coolest experiences I've had while traveling. After that, I checked out the wood shop where more carvers were hard at work, turning blocks of wood into future pieces of the temple. Watching them reminded me just how massive of a project this really is. The Sanctuary of Truth easily makes my list of top 5 things I've done in Thailand. It's not just a must-see in Pattaya, it's one of the few places in the world I'd actually come back to a second time, just to soak in more of the detail I know I missed the first time around. Until next time.